If you're anything like me, you have lots of bits and bobs that are cluttering up your life. But the funny thing is that as soon as you need something, it's nowhere to be found. That's why I make these little purses, which are a nice size for those essential little things that you want to keep track of and carry with you. I use different ones with different colors and patterns for different things, so it's easy to know which one I need. One for money, keys and shopping lists, one for my phone charger or USB stick or earbuds, one for cosmetics. They're a great size for a little sewing kit on the go, and they make it easy to find hygiene articles and medicines in your bag. You can even fit in a few essential art supplies for a little art adventure. And they're great as gifts that can also hold another little surprise. Get yours today.